In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in QuickBooks Online. Maybe you've switched to a new business email address, or you just want to tidy up the contact information your customers see. Whatever the reason, keeping your email addresses up to date in QuickBooks Online is important because this is how QuickBooks sends you notifications and how your invoices and transaction emails appear to your customers. Let's walk through this together, step by step. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account on your computer. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This gear icon is your main settings menu in QuickBooks Online, and it's where you'll control most of the behind-the-scenes options for your company. Go ahead and click that gear icon. When the menu opens, you'll see several options. From this list, select Account and Settings. This is where you manage core details about your company, like your business name, contact information, and some preferences that affect how QuickBooks behaves. Inside Account and Settings, you'll notice a menu running along the left-hand side. From that menu, choose the Company tab. The Company tab is dedicated to your business identity, things like your legal name, company type, and how people can reach you. Scroll within the Company tab until you find the section labeled Contact Info. This is the area that controls the email addresses associated with your QuickBooks account. On the right side of this section, you'll see a small pencil icon. That pencil means Edit. Click the pencil icon to start making changes. Now you'll see editable fields, including company email and customer-facing email. The company email is typically the address QuickBooks uses to contact you with alerts, updates, and other notifications. The customer-facing email is the address your customers will see when they receive invoices, estimates, and other communications from you. Take a moment to type in the new email addresses you want to use and double-check for typos so nothing bounces back. Once you're happy with the updates, look for the Save button in that section and click it. This locks in your new email information. After that, click Done at the bottom of the Account and Settings window to exit and return to your main dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email in QuickBooks Online, ensuring both your internal notifications and your customer-facing communication go to the right place.